See, some schools I've found they have, but very few, maths lab. It's very important. Like every school should have a mathematics lab, which sounds a bit weird. Like chemistry lab, yes. Physics lab, yes. Like fashion designing, in these days, like psychology, they have lab. But some very good schools, apart from some very good schools, very reputed schools, even some reputed schools do not have. I know. I won't take any name here, where like a student should get access at a very tender age. It should act as an excitement that today I'll first visit my maths lab. Let's say from class 3, the tender age, where they will get to know especially about geometry shapes, like a pyramid, a miniature of a pyramid, like a prism. They don't need to know how many faces are there or Euler's formula. They should get exposed to the figures and basic mathematical things like the way a toddler, a child, like they play puzzle, they assemble different blocks to give it a meaningful structure. So it can be there, it can be thought about by the teachers, mathematics teachers. The school also can hire like some expert teachers who work in this field. So this way, my suggestion will be a maths lab, because you cannot avail a maths lab outside like an Airbnb or Ola, like what's it called? OYO. So the school has to take the responsibility. And it will definitely, it will work. It will do wonder, I'm sure. If it is tested over, let's say, a period of 10 years, the students coming out of it, emerging through it, will emerge as better students, more intelligent students, what I feel.